breaking news. We're here to give you an exclusive interview. So what's your name?
I can't believe you don't know my name. I'm Sharkay Evans.
Oh, that's nice. So what do you do?
Why are you even interviewing me if you don't know anything about me?
Exactly. So what do you do?
I was in High School Musical, and Zach and Cody, the Sweet Life of Zach and Cody. And yeah.
So can you tell us a little bit about the movie?
What movie? High School Musical?
Yeah.
It's just about how this kid Troy wants to be a singer, but his dad is making him a basketball player, and he doesn't really like it, and he meets this girl Gabriella who's a good singer.
How exciting! That's great. It's really wonderful.
Do you have another person that can interview me? Newscasters, please. You come over here.
Okay.
Get up. Get up. Get up now.
Why? What's your problem? What's your problem?
Do you know who I
You
am?
want to fight? You want to go outside?
Why don't you take this outside by yourself, buddy? Okay, bye. Hi, have you watched High School Musical before?
Yes, I loved it.
Wow, I think cameraman, I think you should kind of get security or something, because I'm afraid he's gonna hurt me. Anyway, so do you have any questions for me?
Is there anything interesting about this movie that you would like to tell us?